You're at home, watching a game, maybe having a few friends over. Then you hear that knock. You look to the peephole, and it's the police. They say they have a noise complaint. This seems simple, but what you do in the next 60 seconds is critical. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to handle this situation, protect your rights, and end the encounter quickly and safely. Before we talk about what to say, we have to understand the most important legal principle here, the Fourth Amendment. It protects you from unreasonable searches and seizures, and the Supreme Court has said that protection is strongest when it comes to your home. Police need a warrant to enter your home. A noise complaint is not a warrant, but they can get around that requirement with one simple thing: your consent. Our entire goal here is to be polite and cooperative without ever giving consent. So you hear the knock. Your first instinct is to open the door to talk. Do not do this. This is the single biggest mistake you can make. Opening the door breaks the legal barrier of your home. It allows the officer to see inside, and anything illegal they see or they think they see that's called in plain view can give them probable cause to enter your home or go get a warrant. Instead, I have a few ideas. Instead of opening the door, speak through the closed door, or you open your Ring camera app and talk through the doorbell camera. If you truly want to go outside, well, I would encourage you to don't invite the officers in, but go out a side door and meet them up front. Talk with them outside. That's the goal here. If you want to talk to them at all, there is no requirement that you engage with police officers knocking at your door. The same way you have no obligation to deal with a door-to-door salesman trying to sell you a vacuum cleaner or a Girl Scout knocking on your door to sell you Thin Mints. You don't have to engage, but if you do it with that door closed or go outside and talk to them without opening your door, without letting them see inside. Okay, so you're talking to them through a closed door, through your Ring camera, outside, whatever. The officer says, "Hey, I'm here for a noise complaint." Your entire goal is to end the interaction as quickly as possible. And you want to use the 3 A's: acknowledge, apologize, and assure. And we're doing this because we want to get the officers off our patio, off our porch. We want to get them off our property as quickly as possible without causing additional problems. So again, acknowledge, apologize, assure. Say this: "Okay, officer, I acknowledge the complaint. I sincerely apologize if we were being too loud. And I assure you, I'll take care of it right away. We'll turn down the music. Have a good night." This response is perfect. It's respectful. It shows you're cooperating with the spirit of the complaint, and it signals the conversation is over. They might ask for your ID. You can politely ask, "Officer, am I being detained for a crime, or am I free to go?" In most situations involving a simple noise complaint, you are not being detained and do not have to provide ID. By asking this, you signal to the officer loud and clear that you know your rights. Now, what if this perfect script doesn't end the conversation? Police might use other tactics, and I'm going to talk to you about how to deal with them. Tactic number 1, the "just let me look inside" request. They'll say, "I hear a lot of people in there. I need to just pop my head in there and make sure everyone's safe." This is request for consent. Your answer is always, "Respectfully, officer, I do not consent to any searches of my home without a warrant." Tactic number 2, who is the homeowner or renter? It's okay to answer this truthfully, but don't offer more information. Just provide your name if you are the homeowner. You don't have to, but trying to de-escalate, get the officers on their way. This might be a quick way to do that. Tactic number 3, we can just get a warrant threat. Now, this is often a bluff to intimidate you into giving consent. If they had enough evidence for a warrant, they wouldn't be standing outside talking to you, trying to get permission to go inside. The correct response is calm and confident. "I understand, officer. If you come back with a warrant signed by a judge, I will happily cooperate." Let's boil it down to 3 simple rules. 1, never open your door wide. Either answer the officers through the door on your Ring cam or go outside, different door, and talk to them outside your home. Do not let them see inside your home. Number 2, use the acknowledge, apologize, and assure script to end their conversation quickly. Number 3, never give consent for the officer to enter your home or search your home. Never, ever. Even if you think you have nothing to hide, guess what? You don't know what someone might have left in your home. You have no idea what guests brought in, and you don't want to be facing legal charges for that. Never allow an officer to enter your home without a warrant. Your home is your most protected space under the law. Keep it that way. And you know what? Last but not least, it never hurts to record your interactions with the police officer. You don't got to be obnoxious about it. That's what I would do if they came to my home. Now, we do a video like this once a week. We try to do it every Tuesday. And I would love it if you liked and subscribed to this video. If you are still watching, you must be a fan. Something about me either you like, maybe you don't like me so much you want to see what I'm going to say next. Either way, leave me a comment. Mark, I love it. Mark, I don't love it. I don't care what the comment is. And I'm going to try my absolute best to respond to every single comment. But you can't get mad at me if I don't respond to your comment because I got a lot of things to do. And there's only so many hours in the day, but I love reading comments, even if they're a little bit mean sometimes. But most of the comments are overwhelmingly wonderful, and I appreciate it. If you're facing charges in Indiana, give us a call, 317-632-3642. We would love to talk to you about your options. But most importantly, remember to always plead the fifth.